Welcome to my soil, and you can see a lot of it on the county road over there. So yesterday I shoveled up over 600 pounds of that and put it back here in place, but to harden it, to make sure I don't have to keep doing that, I put 480 pounds of concrete on that little stretch there, which will slow down the erosion. Well, anyway, it's fresh concrete and needs some water. But when working with dry concrete, you really want to work on the upwind side. You don't want to be inhaling this, because if it gets deep into your lungs, it'll stay there forever and cause you permanent breathing problems. Oh, it got up over 30 degrees Celsius today, and it's still plenty hot. But this is the easy part of the work. Now I hope nobody drives up my driveway, but I'm going to have it blocked off to some degree.